Located on the coast road, only 12 kilometers from the historic old town of Dubrovnik, and 45 minutes from Dubrovnik International Airport, Dubrovnik Sun Gardens offers the perfect location to explore the very best that this part of the Adriatic region has to offer, including Ston and the Pelješac Peninsula, famous for its seafood and winemaking, the historic old town of Dubrovnik, one of Europe's fastest growing tourism destinations, and the Elefisi Islands with their sandy beaches and gourmet dining experiences. Combining the local history, culture, and unspoilt nature with its extensive range of five-star services and resort amenities on offer at Dubrovnik Sun Gardens offers an unrivaled opportunity to experience the perfect blend of Croatia's past and present. Dubrovnik Sun Gardens offers an extensive range of five-star services and resort amenities, including a 201 Radisson Blu hotel, offering sea view rooms, including a range of suites and club floor. 207 fully appointed 1, 2 and 3 bedroom residences, designed in a Mediterranean-style resort village setting. An extensive beachfront with wide range of water sport activities, 3 large outdoor swimming pools, an award-winning spa operated by Europe's up-and-coming spa operator, Occo, an extensive range of restaurants and bars featuring local and international cuisine, a fully extensive sports and fitness centre to include tennis, squash, beach volleyball, five-a-side football and much more, kids club with a wide range of indoor and outdoor activities able to satisfy all family needs and requirements during their stay at Dubrovnik Sun Gardens. Dubrovnik Sun Gardens offers an extensive range of conference and banqueting facilities, providing some of the most flexible and diverse facilities in this region. Purpose-built with the professional meeting planners and conference delegates in mind, the resort is able to cater from 2 to over 850 delegates. As such, Dubrovnik Sun Gardens is quickly becoming recognized as one of Europe's leading resort destinations, having hosted many blue-chip company conferences. The resort has been designed to a very high specification and inspired by Hirsch Bedner & Associates, one of Europe's leading interior designers in the hospitality industry, having worked with many of the leading hospitality brands such as Four Seasons and Mandarin Oriental. Every guest experience has been considered in this design to ensure a most enjoyable and comfortable stay for all our guests. Dubrovnik Sun Gardens concierge floor offers 33 deluxe sea view rooms located on the 6th floor and offering spectacular sea views from the outdoor dining terrace where you can enjoy breakfast and evening drinks.